Hey, coffee lovers! Let me introduce you to the Electric Coffee Beans Grinder, your new go-to tool for freshly ground coffee, and so much more. This small yet powerful grinder is designed not only for coffee beans but also for grinding spices, grains, herbs, peanuts, nuts, seeds, you name it. It's the ultimate multi-purpose kitchen gadget. Equipped with sharp stainless steel blades, this grinder ensures a consistent and fine grind every time, giving you the freshest flavor, whether you're making coffee, spices, or even grinding seeds. The compact design makes it easy to store, and it's perfect for kitchens with limited space. The electric motor is powerful yet quiet, so you can grind your coffee or spices quickly without the loud noise you expect from larger grinders. Plus, the stainless steel bowl is easy to clean. Just wipe it down after each use. So if you're looking for a fast, convenient, and versatile grinder, this electric coffee grinder is a must-have for your kitchen. Enjoy fresh, flavorful coffee and spices every day with just the push of a button.